nigga, let have some fun. V544, and my chopper came with a star. Made him clearing off the lot, bitch, I guess a lot of guap. You did, 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 you did. I just dumped me a little walk, the drink went too dark. Fuck around and drink that bitch raw. I think I deserve a double R, cause I'm a fucking superstar. Raw, dog assassin, no savage, all that activate. Too fly, flight risk, 911 bad shit. Porsche Carrera smashing, Addis driving tightly. Great Brent, ugly, black, nasty was never nice to me. You did, 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 you did. They got me thinking early morning, leave a nigga leaking early morning. I be up the pockets and she with me and she finna throw it. Hold on, I said what you hold, you ain't gon' blow it. 223s and that red pig, now these niggas like the Caroline. Nigga fuck with me, ride shot, he got that fire with me. Bitch, you driving round the Rocky in the front seat, fuck with me.
Why'd you come out here tonight?
I was hoping I'd be able to see you.
We here, I pulled up with my friends. We rolling blunts again. She pulled up with her friends. She asked if they could get in. I said, but what you mean? She said she got her own weed. She don't beg for anything. I said, cool, then come with me. She saw my S13, then she dropped to her knees. Then her eyes teared up. I said, what this supposed to mean? She said, I love your car. I admired from afar. I saw you riding in the city, but did not know who you were. Now we both up here together. I'm going out on a limb. Then she said, can we be friends? I said, wait, what, come again? She said, yeah, I know it's weird, but I like the way this feels. She said she can keep it real. I said, that's the only deal. Then she pulled her S14 with no S all she do Jay-Z. I saw her name on her seat. She was a queen of pocket. Damn, I'm back at Fujiwara House. Ain't nothing to talk about. You see us smoking now while we sit in silence. I let my window down to hear the engines out. Around the city crying secret languages. And I'm still smoking out 20 blunts in rotation. It's only me and I'm fading. I hate it, I'm trying to laugh. And I'm still thinking about her. I'm trying to shake it, but I can't seem to make it. I think I'm tangled up. I pulled up to my friends just to clear my head, and then we heard motors in the mountain, but we always parked here. I said, what the fuck is this? We pulled off so fucking quick, throwing pounds on the clutch. Niggas switching straight to fifth. All I thought about was this. When I get there, I'ma flip. How the hell they pull up on my King and try to rip? Now we slide up to the end, and I see her car and then hers along with her friend. She said she glad I came again.
I was hoping I'd be able to see you. I just wanted to see you. I'm not bugging you, am I?
I'm sparked,
waiting for the dark to hit. Cause once the moon gets above my apartment, I catch fits for starting shit. I'm smart with it, I give it that special touch when I push it. Cause I'm also a label rep, and I can't allow no bullshit. So shush kid, shush baby, shut your eyes. Lay your head back, shed the fear and let the tears crystallize. I wish the flies to land upon your forehead when I extract the essence from your head and leave your body resting in more head. I've left more dead reputations than HIV can. But for every killing, there's a reason, and it's not just MCs, man. I'm watching C-SPAN, waiting for the first state rep to take the first step to have me killed off to make this world perfect. Well, let's get shit right here, right now, right away, atmosphere, motherfucker. If I need to, I